If you're on your iPhone and have a video that you want to extract just the audio from, I'll show you how to do it. But first, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, it really helps me out, thanks. Now let's open up the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This is a built-in app, so no need to download anything extra. Once you're in the Shortcuts app, make sure you're in the My Shortcuts tab at the bottom left, tap on the plus icon at the top right to create a new shortcut default text. Once the app is open, tap on Create New Automation and give your shortcut a name that makes sense. I'll call it Extract Audio and hit Done. Next, tap the small eye icon to configure the shortcut. We need to enable Show and Share Sheet, which will let us use it later with videos. Under the Receive section, tap on Images, and change it to Media, so the shortcut works with videos. Now we need to set the action to extract only the audio. Type in Encode Media in the search bar, select it, and choose Audio Only. You can pick the audio format you prefer and adjust the playback speed, but for now, let's keep the default settings. To save the audio, choose Save File and toggle on Ask Where to Save. This will prompt you to select a location. Every time you use the shortcut, hit Done to save it. Now that the shortcut is set up, let me show you how to use it. Open your Photos app, find a video you want to extract audio from, and tap the Share button at the bottom. Once the Share menu appears, look for the shortcut you just created. It should show up as Extract Audio. Tap that, and a prompt will appear asking where you want to save the extracted audio. Choose your preferred location, then hit Save. Once the process is done, open the Files app and go to the folder where you saved it. You'll find the audio file there. Play the file, and you'll hear the audio from the video. No video, just the sound. From here, you can share it, move it, or send it however you like through text, email, or any other option available. And that's it, you've successfully extracted audio from a video using built-in features on your device. If this helped, please tap the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.